Welcome everybody. Well, I'm in my art room tonight and I'm going to do some blooms. I'm practicing using pigments only and pigment cell activator. So I'm going to do a few. So you'll probably see different colors. And also I'm going to try and use some unicorn spit, which is like a boom gel glaze. So I'm using some of that in a bloom also. So there's a few varieties of things I'm doing tonight. So stick around and come and watch me. Hi everyone. I'm going to do a bloom with just pigments over top of this one I didn't care for. I was going to use my blue cell activator, but I did these little samples. That's with black cell activator, both of them, black base, white base. I think I like this one. Okay. So if I use the blue, there's blue in here, it won't show up, so I'll use my black. Okay. So I'm going to put down my gold first. Just going to add a couple of drops of water. Now this pigment I can't name because I have it in bulk and I don't know what brand it is. I got it from an art store and there was nothing marked on it, so it's just a gold pigment. I didn't even know what it was when I first saw it. It was at an art store that was going out of business, and I bought it, and I thought, oh, well, I'll figure it out later. And sure enough, I did figure out that it's a pigment. Okay. Now I have I don't know whether to put the green. I think I'll put the blue. This is a blue-green by Pearlex. And this is apple green by Pearlex. And then I have Pinot Gris, which is a interference greeny color. So it changes colors. I don't think I put that on the top last time. Oh well. We'll see how it turns out. All right. I'm going to blow with my straw. It's got the halo. Oh. That's really pretty. I didn't center it very well, but I think I had my blue on top in this little sample, but this interference will look more green when it dries. Wow, when I turned it in a certain light, it's really pretty, the green interference. It's not as much gold in there as I was hoping, but maybe when I spin it, more will come out. Oops, oopsie. All right, I think I'll spin it now. I think I might just leave the white because I can't, if I spin it anymore, I'm going to lose a lot. Maybe one more spin. There. I think I'm going to leave it the way it is. I think it's pretty. Hold it up. And it's going to dry shiny. Shiny, shiny. Thanks for watching and have a good day, everyone. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below. Let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. There you go. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. Dried really good. Look at that shine. I got a bit of a crevice here. I don't know why. Maybe the paint was thinner there and it sank. I'm not sure, but all in all, it's pretty good. Thanks for watching.